Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about how to create a report on that. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understand DAX and Power BI. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. So now you can see that I have imported customer, date, dim, geography, product category, subcategory, sales territory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between these dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. Now I'll try to see that is also. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll on a little bit. Now you can see that already I have enabled the relationship between these dimension tables and fact table. For example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on this key column, sales territory key, I have enabled the relationship between this dimension and fact table. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is, like one direction to many direction. It means that from the dimension table to fact table, the filter propagation is flowing. So like that, I have enabled the relationship for other tables also. So we'll try to see different options that are available in the relationship. We'll try to focus in upcoming sessions, but for timing we'll try to understand today's report design only. So now we can see that we have two slices. One is year slicer, another one is month slicer, and we can see that so this is the total sales amount, these are the number of customers, these are the number of transactions, and this is the when it got the refresh. Okay, and this is the filter icon. So what are the filters we have selected? So these are the five things, and these two are slicers. So here, so in this visual we are calculating the current month YTD and previous month YTD based on the selection of the year as well as month. Yes, so in this, so in 2003 and August month, so I'm just calculating the current month YTD and previous month YTD. So this is the usual. So in this, so each region wise what kind of sale, how much sales it is. So each region wise how much sales. So in this, so based on the selection like year and month, so I'm just calculating the current month sales and the previous month sales. So here I'm just taking the subcategory wise what are the products, and also taking the icons. So based on that easily we can understand so which product is doing more, which product is not doing well under any specific subcategory based on this selection. So why have I added means also because even if we select easily we can understand so what are the selections we have done to get this report is reflected under. So let's try to do some filter. Now it's getting reflected right in 2002 also. So now you can easily understand so which month is doing, which month is not doing. So even we can see here, if you notice I have 8 months. If you want to see all months, just click on here, automatically it's moved to the showing remaining months also. Okay, like that we can check. So you can select any month, any year. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for our videos. Thank you so much for watching.